welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be putting French fries in here. So how to do it is I already cut out a little thing like this, and I cut it like this, and then what you do next is you fold it up like this. And then what you do after you do this, you want to put it in the French fry holder. And then tape it, glue it, whatever you want to do. And I'm going to glue it on.
Chips.
Oh yes, and I almost forgot. This is my friend. He's here.
Hi, hello. I'm Ryan's best friend, and me and him really like each other.
Yeah, and he might be in my YouTube videos.
Yep,
After the stupid virus.
Oh my god. I know the stupid virus is very bad.
Yes, it's very bad. Okay. And after you glue it on, you should have a French fry holder with lots of French fries. Okay. Bye. See you soon.